Stop scrolling, because what I'm about to show you isn't hype, it's not crypto, and it's definitely not one of those scammy push this button and get rich videos. Right now, real people in the US are quietly earning $150 to $200 a day using one single AI tool. No degree, no special skills, no fancy setup. Real work, real platforms, real payouts. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, with proof. Because AI isn't replacing everyone, it's replacing the people who ignore it. But the ones who learn it, they earn smarter, finish faster, and stack money while everyone else still scrolls. So don't move. In the next few seconds, I'll show you how this AI tool is paying everyday people $200 a day, and how you can start too. I want you to imagine this for a second. You wake up, make a cup of coffee, open your laptop, and in just a couple hours, you knock out a handful of small tasks. Rewriting short scripts, cleaning up AI text, summarizing short content, writing product blurbs, simple research, describing images, and you get paid for each one. Not per hour, but per task, which means the faster and smarter you work, the more you make. This is called AI-assisted microtask freelancing. Think of it like freelancing, but broken into fast, bite-sized tasks. These tasks normally take someone 20 to 30 minutes manually, but with AI helping you, they can take just 5 to 10 minutes. And that time advantage is exactly how people stack $150, sometimes even $200 in a single day. Not every day, but enough days to matter. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing everyone. AI is replacing people who refuse to learn it. But the people who learn to use AI, they become 5 times faster than the average freelancer. They become the person businesses want to hire because they finish fast, deliver clean work, and communicate like pros. Let me explain exactly how this works, step by step. Step 1. You sign up on a marketplace where companies post small content tasks. These tasks could be rewriting a script in a friendly tone, turning rough notes into a clean paragraph, summarizing 5 bullet points, cleaning up a transcript, writing a simple product description, or editing AI-generated text to make it sound human. These are real tasks businesses pay for daily. Step 2. You take the task and feed it into AI, ChatGPT, Claude, or any tool you like. But, and this is important, the people making money don't just paste and pray. They know how to prompt correctly. For example, instead of saying rewrite this, they say something like rewrite this to sound clear, friendly, confident, and natural, like an American creator talking to their audience. Keep it short, use simple language, avoid robotic phrasing, and keep it conversational. That kind of direction makes a huge difference. Step 3. You read through the AI result and polish it. Remove robotic lines, add a bit of personality, make sure it feels human. It takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. You're not writing from scratch, you're improving AI output, which means you finish tasks faster and still deliver quality. Step 4. You submit the task and get paid. Some platforms pay instantly, some pay weekly, some use PayPal, direct deposit, or digital payout options. And yes, people actually cash out. Not theory, not hype, real earnings, the kind that build up if you stay consistent. Now let's be real for a moment. You're not going to press a button and make $200 on day one. That's not how real life, or real money, works. You start small, you learn how tasks work, you build speed, you get better and better. Within a week or two, most consistent people find a rhythm, and suddenly they go from making 20 bucks a day to 50, then 80, then 100 plus. That's how this grows. Some days you'll make 40, some days you'll hit 150 or 200. Some days you won't log in at all. But if you show up regularly, this is one of the most realistic AI-powered side hustles right now. And here's the mindset shift. You're not selling words, you're selling time, speed, and clarity. Businesses aren't paying you because you're the world's best writer. They're paying you because you deliver clean content faster than they can do it themselves. That's value. Speed plus accuracy plus communication equals money. Now let's talk about who this works for. If you can write Instagram captions, if you text your friends in a normal conversational tone, if you can rephrase a sentence like a normal person, congratulations, you already have the core skill. You don't need a college degree. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need experience. You just need to start, learn, and stay consistent. Want to make even more? Focus on niches that pay higher, like e-commerce products, finance explanations, real estate descriptions, YouTube script polishing, or educational summaries. These niches pay more because businesses in those spaces value content more. And here's your simple toolkit. ChatGPT or Claude for writing help, Grammarly for polishing, Google Docs for organization, and optional tools like 11 Labs if you take small voice tasks. That toolkit alone makes you move insanely fast compared to someone doing everything manually. But here's the catch. This still requires effort. You need to show up. You need to practice. You need to learn how to prompt well. You need to read and polish before delivering. If you treat this like a job, it pays like one. If you treat it like a lottery ticket, nothing happens. Simple as that. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, I could do that? Yeah, exactly. You can, and that's the point. You don't need to be special. You don't need a tech background. You just need to start. So here's what you do next. Comment AI tasks below, and I'll send you a full beginner setup guide, the list of platforms, how to get approved, sample tasks, and the exact AI prompts you can copy-paste to get results like the people already earning from this. Follow this page for more real AI income methods. Not hype, not scams, not quick rich fantasies. Real skills boosted by AI, turning into real money, because the future belongs to the people who use AI, not the ones who fear it. Let's build your AI income stream, one smart task at a time. See you in the comments.